Hello children, how today let us to learn a different kind of school. Actually, the writer heard about the great deal about Miss Beam's school, but though he tried a lot, he was not able to visit. So finally once he got time to visit Miss Beam's school, and soon after entering the school, he found a girl of 12 years. He saw whose eyes were covered with bandage, and she was being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. She stopped and looked like that she is asking him who had come, and that little boy he described the writer. Then they passed on. Actually, Miss Beam was all that the writer expected. She was middle aged, full of authority, but she was so kind and understandable. Her hair started to turn into grey, and she had plump figure, quite fat, that is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. Writer asked her some questions about her teaching methods, which he heard were simple. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things: simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing. The rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks, during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There are practically no other lessons. The real aim of Miss Beam's school is not much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizens. Look out of window a minute, will you? Miss Beam asked to the writer. So writer went to the window, which overlooked a large garden and playground at the back. What do you see? Miss Beam asked to the writer. Then writer replied, I see some very beautiful grounds and a lot of jolly children. It pains me though to see that they are not all so healthy and active looking. When I came in, I saw a poor little girl being led about. She has some trouble with her eyes. Now I can see two more with the same difficulty, and there is a girl with a crutch in the sense it is a kind of a stick which is used by lame people to move from one place to another place, with a crutch watching the other set play. She seems to be a hopeless cripple. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said, she is not really lame. This is only her lame day. The others are not blind either. It is only their blind day. By hearing this, lame day and blind day, the writer, he was surprised, and he looked towards Miss Beam, and Miss Beam, she started to laugh again. Have a good